My name's Adrian. We're in the industrial area here at the Bushmans factory in Adelaide Cabin. I'd just like to show you some of the projects that we have here, which may find you some solutions with the projects that you have coming up in the future. We have an Adblue assembly here, which is available in various sizes, which can be shipped anywhere to provide Adblue solutions for your transport needs. On this side we have a commercial tank being used in an air-conditioned system. These were 2 tanks cut down to make the appropriate literage for the project's requirements. A couple of different fittings we have here. Flange fittings are available in various sizes in stainless ANSI table D and E. This is just a small portion of what's available with penetrations on the tanks that we can provide. On this side we have a fert tank. We'll pass you on to Matt, our poly welder, and he can show you how all the welds are done. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Adrian. Yep, Matt here from Bushman Tanks. Here to show you just a bit of a brief on how we do a fert build here. What I'm doing is a standard 2-inch fertiliser tank. We use a liquidator, chem-rated liquidator to show you the level obviously of the tank. We're doing a outlet at the moment and then a top fill assembly afterwards. So what I'm going to do now is I've used a speed tip to just quickly put a bot bend in with a 90-degree angle to be able to pick up more of the product off the floor of the tank. So what I'll do now is we're going to just weld this in, show you the process, because what I'm trying to do is to match the heat indexes between an LD and a HD fitting. So tanks are LDPE, fittings are HDPE. So what we're doing is just trying to heat that area up. So the gun's running at about 280 degrees. And then all right, so that's an initial weld. What I'll do is I'll wait for that to completely cool down, scrape it, and re-weld it again. So this is the top fill assembly. 2-inch top fill. It will come with a banjo cam lock dust cap. I've just put some bracketry, so some pipe support brackets. Then used a quick tip to tack the pipe on. Also tack the top fill assembly itself, so the roof hook. And then we're going to put an EF cup link on there. The little mantra is clean, scrape, weld. So I've already cleaned, I'm just going to scrape around where I'm going to weld. And once it's welded in, then I will connect the EF machine and weld the socket on. I've scraped everywhere I'm going to weld, and now I will just weld all those sections on. So I'll weld the top of the pipe either side of those brackets. So what I'm doing here is, this is an EF coupling. What we've got is 2 electrodes. It's heating up some wire conduit inside. It has a film, a poly film inside, and it will melt and connect the 2 pipe links together. And that's it. From here we now have the top fill assembly is on. What I will do now is we're going to roll it back and we're going to start putting on the banjo fittings. So these are a chemical rated high pressure ball valve. Again, cam lock and a dust cap. So this is the unit here itself. And again, it has a dust cap on there. So when the truck driver comes up to fill your tank, you just take the dust cap off, attached with a little bit of a stainless steel lanyard there, and then straight on. So then these will be fitted to the tank. They're a high pressure fitting as well, which means the tank pump can attach straight to it and fill your tank. So that'll be on there just like that. And then again, one on the drain as well. Okay, and that's it. So now we're done. We've got banjos on, outlet, inlet, liquidator up the top there, and then over in the roof we've got stainless steel 316 lifting lugs and a 620 vented lid in the roof as well. So that's it. That's a completed fertiliser tank, 2-inch standard build from Bushman Tanks.